What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Maros. Today is March 10th, 2025. It's a special day for Lavarsen. It's his birthday. I think he's turning 13. So shout out to Lavarsen. We all love you. Thank the man above for giving you 13 years of life and protecting you. But yeah. So right now, I just finished cleaning the grill. We got the chicken right here. We're gonna start in a few minutes, but yeah, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and just thank you for all the support. Don't forget to also turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. And yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Chicken on the grill. It's not that much, but it's enough for just today's party. But yeah, I'm out here with Uncle Nash. Uncle Nash, yeah, we're just barbecuing, waiting for everyone to come through, especially the birthday boy. Happy birthday, Lavarsen.
Happy birthday.
Happy 13th birthday to Lavarsen. Shout out to him. But yeah, we just got back from school, and we all remembered that today was a special day for my little brother Lavarsen. We're gonna barbecue today. So Lavarsen, this is for you. Celine and them, I know you guys are hungry after school, so
Pull up.
This is for you guys. And family members, this is a public service announcement. You guys pull up to this party. But yeah, I just want to also thank you guys for all the support throughout the years. This YouTube channel was what I thought was never going to be anything serious, but yeah, other ways to support us. If you guys look underneath this video in the description box, there's a link to our merchandise. You guys go check it out. You guys can go buy t-shirts, hoodies, hats, and you guys can go check it out and support us. But I thank you guys for everything. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Gotta focus on the chicken. Just right here, barbecuing. Just me and Uncle Nash, because some people don't want to help out, but
Yeah, where's everybody, huh?
We're good. We got.
I thought you said time to do my thing, homeboy, but they're not here. So yeah, y'all see, this guy, the one, the cameraman, make this sauce. I never taste a better sauce before until this sauce.
Yes, so shout out to my dad. I learned from him. Learned at a young age, and shout out to Marson, or should I say Mello, for helping me.
Yeah, that's why I love his nephew right here, because they already know what to do. I don't need to tell them, hey, marinate this, marinate that, flip this, flip that. No, they're good. They already know. I don't need to tell them. I don't know about the other nephews.
Yeah, we learn from the best. We learn from the best. Shout out to you, Dad. But yeah, we're just barbecuing. Still still no one out here to help us, but also still the birthday boy's not here. But we'll see you guys when we're done with the barbecue, or when the party starts. See you guys in a little bit.
Oh, today is Lavarsen's birthday. Happy birthday. Big shout out to you, Lavarsen. Happy birthday to you. Hope you're enjoying your special day. And then maybe we can see you later on, since Elston and Marlson are doing barbecue. Yeah? Alright. Hi.
Hi.
Why are you laughing?
You're the one
that touched
it. I didn't even touch it.
It's okay. Don't take that one. Those are dirty. Just take this ones.
Gosh.
Yeah, give me those ones. Okay, just take these ones.
That's not.
Okay.
I didn't even touch it.
Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Huh? How old are you? Huh? 13. 13. That's the birthday boy. Birthday boy is here and he dropped this. It's a barbecue. Okay. Don't burn the chicken. Don't burn the chicken. You marinated? Huh? Who marinated? You,
Yeah,
Larson?
I learned from the best. Right.
Who, Mars?
Oh, my dad. Shout out to my dad. He taught me the ways of barbecuing. Now I can grow up, and when I have a family, it's my turn to hold all the parties.
Okay, that's very good. But you will never have a family. Not yet. Not yet for family. No good. You can only learn how to do to marinate the chicken, but you're not gonna learn it just because you want to get married or have a family. That comes later in life. All right.
Just finishing up. Very nice. How much? Good.
Larson, is it your birthday?
Are you the birthday boy?
I cannot explain how cold it is. I cannot handle this cold. Cold is too much. Too much is cold. Alright. Going back inside. It's too cold. Where Larson is at. You fight to get the offer or what you get? Huh? Alright, man. Look. Hey, pura. Some fire going on.
Ponme puerratas. Kisumi kotren na bckmi. Angelkic. Varsågod. Hej. Fansorni var fetsigare kitsa på tomolexis för fältet. Jag kommer med tje. Sen då Lavarsen ligger. Birthday Lavarsen.
Thank you.
How young are you?
13.
Wow. You're a teen now. Very good. Very good. Very kali chicken chili. Good rice. Very music. Ako na te ferita butuan. Lavarsen. It's good to see all of you guys. I guess you already know why we're here. It's Lavarsen's birthday, and we owe it all to God for making it possible for all of us to come together and join him celebrating his birthday. So once again, happy birthday, Lavarsen. Marior, cepat. Oh, kiri sore kot kiri malam itu cepat. Kami pergi di sore dan per family Lavarsen malam cepat dua kali. Bila cakap pergi di sore lagi, lepas nanti apa prefer itu si para feature. Kami happy birthday Lavarsen. Sure.
Happy birthday, Lavarsen.
See, there's one.
Thank you.
There you go. What's it?
It's a bottle. It is so really can't try to get it. But happy birthday, Lavarsen.
Who's the handicapper?
Yeah.
Who's next? Tara?
Happy birthday, Lavarsen. Hope you have a fantastic day and a healthy and happy year.
Who else is there?
Mom.
Okay.
Mom.
Sir, birthday so very good and Lavarsen, happy birthday.
Let's save the best for last. Wait for the boys. Now let's go with the girls. Who's next? Celine.
Happy birthday, Lavarsen. Love you. Thanks God for giving you 13 years of life.
Lavarsen, go sit on the chair so they can see you. Go. Yeah, so you can fish them. Alright, Kamara.
Happy birthday, Lavarsen. You're getting old. Stop growing up on us.
Velma.
Happy birthday, Lavarsen.
No.
I'm thankful that God gave you another year of life. Good luck. You just turned 13. You're just getting started.
Who else is there?
That's it.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Morris.
Happy birthday, bro.
Larson.
Happy birthday, Lavarsen. Love you.
Who's that? Who?
Uncle Nash.
Oh, Uncle Ness.
Alright, I just wanna wish you happy birthday. God bless you. Nephew, I love you, but I'm broke.
Thank you.
Okay, you, camera man.
Happy birthday, Lavarsen. Love you, bro.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see.
Happy birthday, Lavarsen. Just want to thank God for blessing me with a brother like you. Love you.
Where is Carter?
He's over here.
Is he downstairs?
No, he's right here.
Oh,
Sheila.
he's not?
Yeah.
You said happy birthday.
Thank God.
Where's it then?
I think in the room.
Okay, that's it?
Mm-hmm.
You want to say something, Lavarsen?
I just want to thank God for giving me another year of life. Yeah.
You're not gonna thank us for celebrating M3E?
I forgot. Thank you guys for coming.
Sorry, go para lang.
Happy birthday, Lavarsen.
Okay, thank you, Lavarsen. Now we're gonna eat barbecue because today is your birthday.
Birthday boy? What do you have to say, man? Say something. Lavarsen? Say something. What else?
I'm thankful that God gave me 13 years of life.
13?
Get a haircut too. Need a haircut.
You talking about you or me?
What about you, baby?
What's up, guys?
What about you, Mr.
Wow, we're almost there. One more year. I mean, one more grade.
Not on your tippy toe.
Ada tahu gak Pat?
So Steve, why you actually growing on? Do you guys have class on Wednesday? Class on Wednesday? Yes.
Pizza? Ooh.
Why you want to take us out?
Mirari ada pizza.
Emergency contact.
Dami no shige.
Because what? You're my emergency contact.
Where'd you guys get the pizza from?
Are you?
Domino's?
Wednesday? 9 to 1. 9 to 1. I have class at 11. Oh, 10:30.
Okay. Alright.
My last class for
Thank you, Marissa. And I'm gonna ask for a barbecue.
Hey, tell me if you like the stuffed crust. Which one is that? You want to get stuffed crust? Is which one? Nice. Jalapeno or the stuffed crust? And then we get
Alright, we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat. Peace out. We have visitors. This one's for Uncle. Hey, man.
Hello.
You feel much better today?
Yeah.
Huh?
Uncle who?
What about you, man?
How are you?
Hey.
How are you guys?
Where'd you guys come from?
You guys just came to drop off some fish
Oh, yeah?
for the house, you know?
Ooh.
We came from the house, you know, where... Yeah.
Alright. Thank you for bringing the fish. You went to Hawaii or something?
No, my parents did.
Oh, okay, wow.
So they got the free now?
Oh,
Huh?
okay. Alright, that's the real good right there. Lily, se furutawi sashimi ba? Huh? Your ka sashimi kake? Furutawi. You guys don't want fish? Huh?
If you have room, you go up. If you don't, you have to wait. Right?
One more time before I stop the camera. Step down.
Right now, there's not...
Say bye to our viewers.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
on his birthday.
I'm cooked.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, thank you. Oh yeah. Yep.
Bye.
Wait. Larson is he's the one.
I'm cooked.
Who's that? Who's that? Oh, come on, Larson. Come on. Say bye. To our viewers.
Oh, bye, guys.
What else? I'm not gonna put words in your mouth, man.
Like, close out the video?
Yeah.
Oh, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All
Peace
right.
out.
Yeah, thank you.